will now proceed with simplifying rational algebraic expression. And we have number 1, 4x divided by 20y. All you need to do is find a common factor between 4 and 20. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4, that is 5. And just copy x and y. 1 times x, x over 5 times y, 5y. And our final answer is x over 5y using cancellation process. Or another process is get the GCF. Factors of 4, 4 times 1, x over 20, we have 4 times 5, and just copy y. And divide 4 divided by 4, 1. And proceed 1 times x, x over 5 times y, 5y. Still, we come up with the same answer, which is x over 5y. Next, what if there is a negative exponent? All you need to do is change this to positive by changing its position. Example, we have 21 and negative 3. Just copy the numerical coefficient. Next, since a raised to negative 3 is negative, change the position. That will become our denominator. We have a cube. Next, b raised to negative 7 will become the denominator, which is b raised to 7. Next, we have a raised to negative 4. To make it positive, change that to numerator. That will become a raised to 4. b raised to negative 3 will become b cubed. Then proceed with division. 21 divided by negative 3. Of course, we have 21 divided by 3 is 7. Next, negative 3 divided by 3, that is negative 1. And in dealing with literal coefficient, just subtract the numerator and by the denominator. We have 4 minus 3, that is a. We will write a in our numerator because 4 is greater than 3. Next, b cubed and b to raised to 7. Since b raised to 7 is greater than b cubed, then b is on the denominator. Next, subtract 7 minus 3, that is 4. Final answer is 7a over negative 1 times b to the 4th is negative b to the 4th. This is our final answer. Next, number 3. If given is a binomial, all you need to do is factor out. Use the GCMF. Common between 3 and 6, that is 3. Next, 3p divided by 3, the answer is p, plus 6s divided by 3, that is 2s. Next, since there is no common factor between p and 2s, all you need to do is copy. Since p plus 2s and p plus 2s are binomial and they are the same, we can cancel out. Then our final answer is 3. That is how to simplify rational algebraic expression. We will now answer exercises number 1. Your answer can be true, that is smiley, and sad face if that is false. Number 2, in simplifying rational algebraic expression, we will divide the numerator by its GCF. Actually, the answer is a sad face. Why sad face? Of course, class, you will not answer only the divide only the numerator. Also divide the denominator to simplify rational algebraic expression. Next, number 2. Emily said that the simplest form of 3a plus 6b plus 9c over 4a plus 8b plus 12c is 3/4. All you need to do is use factoring method. There is a common factor between 3a, 6b, and 9c, and that is 3. Next, 3a divided by 3, that is a, plus 6b divided by 3, that is 2b, plus 9c divided by 3, that is 3c, over. There is also a common factor between 4a, 8b, and 12c, and that is 4. Next, 4a divided by 4, we have a, plus 8b divided by 4, that is 2b, plus 12c divided by 4, that is 3c. Now, as we can see, a plus 2b plus 3c is a trinomial, the same with a plus 2b plus 3c is also a trinomial, then we can cancel out. Then, the answer is 3/4. Then, since our final answer is 3/4, then your answer is smiley, which is true. Exercises number 2. Given. Number 2, x quantity a minus b over y quantity a minus b. Then what will be the terms or expression on the blank? All you need to do is cancel out the common factor, which is a minus b and a minus b. Then your final answer is x. Number 4, 3x plus 5y and 3x plus 4 divided by 3x minus 5y and quantity 3x plus 5y. We cannot cancel out 3x plus 5y and 3x minus 5y because they are different in their sign. All you need to do is cancel out the binomial which are the same, and that is 3x plus 5y and 3x plus 5y. Next, copy the remaining binomial 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. And reminder, we cannot cancel out 3x and 3x because 3x plus 4 is a binomial and 3x minus 5y is also a binomial. We can cancel out only 3x and 3x if they are monomial. Then our final answer is 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5y. Exercises number 3. Number 2. 3x minus 12 divided by 4x minus 16. Again, all you need to do is get the common factor between the terms. We have 3x and 12, common factor is 3. Next, divide 3x divided by 3, that is x, minus 12 divided by 3, that is 4, over. Common between 4x and 16, that is 4. Divide 4x divided by 4, x minus 16 divided by 4, that is 4. And since we have a common factor which is x minus 4, cancel out, and our final answer is 3/4. Next, number 4. Since numerator and denominator are both monomial, then we can use cancellation. 25 and 30 common is 5. 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Next, 30 divided by 5, that is 6. Now, q and q raised to 4. Exponent of q is automatic, that is 1. And since q raised to 4 is greater than q raised to 1, then we will copy q on the denominator and subtract the exponent 4 minus 1, that is 3. Next, s raised to 6 and s raised to 4. Since 6 is greater than 4, then s is on our numerator, and subtract 6 minus 4, we have 2. Next, t. Since we don't have t here on our denominator, then just copy that on our numerator. Next, w. Since there is no w on the denominator, just copy. The same with x, y, and z. Then our final answer is 5s squared tw over 6q cubed x, y, and z.